Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Koye. On this channel we share everything that has to do with your health, your well-being, natural eating, taking everything that is natural, everything that is healthy, and whatever you think of creating something simple out of whatever you have in your house. So today we are making something pretty different. I'm sure you was wondering like, why are we having pineapple peel, watermelon peel, beetroot peel, and what have you? So today we are making something really different. We are making a fruit peel juice. I'll explain that. A fruit peel juice. So here we have our watermelon peel, and research has shown that watermelon is a very healthy 100%. Both the internal and external part of it is very healthy, and sometimes some of us find it difficult to chew the back. So in this video I'll be showing you write up about the health benefit of taking this juice, of taking the peel, the boiled version of this peel, of this pineapple peel, of beetroot peel, and whatever peel of fruits that you use for your smoothie or you use for your juice. Don't toss it out. You can transform it into something more healthier than you think. So we'll be using all this fruit. I'll be transferring it into my pot. Here's my pot. I'll transfer it into my pot and I'll fill that up with some water. I've added all the peel into the pot in no particular order, just everything in the pot. So I'm adding water to it. So when the water gets to a reasonable quantity that at least I'll serve me for 2 to 3 times, I think that will be fine. Then I'll just cover this up and let it bring it to a boil point. See the transformation color of beetroot. So it's simmering currently. It hasn't come to a boil point. So when it comes to a boil point, I'll show you what it is. It's boiling, so I just let it boil. You can take off the heat at this moment. You can leave it cool down so you can do it cool. So you have to check the description box for what else is benefit of taking this. Hey guys, so here is the end result of the juice I was able to extract from the boiled back of pineapple, watermelon, beetroot. So the main essence of this drink is, one, it's a natural detoxifier, and it helps you to keeps you dehydrated in your day. So do well to store it in a jar like this. If you are going out, you can refrigerate it, so when you are going out in the hot sun, you can just have a chill drink and healthy drink. So do well to try this recipe, and do well to drop me a comment, a feedback in the comment section, so I would know how it is. And the sweet thing about this drink is that it is sweet. The sweetness from the pineapple and the watermelon is being extracted into the water that I used to boil it. So do well to try out this recipe. Bye for now, till we meet again. I love you.